Guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use a little known video site that has really good high traffic, and you can drive traffic to your affiliate links once you get them in front of that traffic. I'm going to show you this method today. It's really easy to do. It's 100% free, and we're going to get started on it here right now. But first of all, for those of you that are new to my videos and you have not yet subscribed, reach down there right now below your video, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click that little notification bell there right beside it so that you get notified of when I upload new videos. Okay? Alright, well, with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get started on today's video, guys. First thing we're going to do is we want to use an affiliate product, and I'm going to use a CLICKBANK product for this method to show you how easy this is. And you can do this with any affiliate product you want. You can use Digistore 24, you can use JVZoo, just any affiliate product you want to do this with. Now, so I'm going to use CLICKBANK, and if you don't have an account at CLICKBANK, guys, you know I've been through this before with you. It's free to create one. Just create an account at CLICKBANK. Make sure you check out the email confirmation. The same with Digistore 24 if you're going to use it as well. And then get logged in and then come over to the marketplace like you see right up here where my mouse is, and it puts you on the marketplace page here. Now, I've already chosen a product that I want to use in the weight loss niche. It's called CarbOfix. You see it right here in the search engine here that I typed in, and it brings it up right here, and you can see it, and you can make $106.43 per sale on this. And it does not have recurring billing. Normally I would pick a recurring billing product to do this method with, but I think I'm just going to go ahead with CarbOfix because it's about metabolism, slow metabolism, and how to speed it up, and so on and so forth. What we would do, you can see the sales letter is right here, and it's pretty good. It's a good long sales letter. It's got lots of great information about how to speed up your metabolism and to help you lose weight. It's a really good sales page, and so on and so forth here. So this is the product that we're going to use. Now, what we're going to do this is we're going to be using a video to do this, right? Because we're going to be using a little known video site, which I'm going to show you if you stick around here in a moment. Later, I'm going to show this to you. We're going to need a video, and what we're going to do is we're going to get us a video in the niche that we're going to be doing this in, which, by the way, guys, you can do this in any niche that you want. I'm just using the metabolism or weight loss niche for this particular method today to show you how to do this. So what we'll do is we come over here, and if I click in up here, I'm going to type in metabolism facts, metabolism facts, and then we press our enter key, and it gives us a whole bunch of videos. But guys, we cannot unfortunately use these. We need to use the videos that are Creative Commons. So what you want to do after you type your niche into the search engine on YouTube, you want to come up here and click on filters, guys, and then you want to come over here under features and come down to Creative Commons right here and click on that. And then what we want to do is we want to click on the filters again and come down and click on view count right here, right? And that loads up some videos that we can use here. Now in the metabolism facts, or the metabolism, you can see there's only about maybe 6 videos here. So anyways, I stepped ahead just a little bit, guys, in this, and I chose this video right here. Before I started making this video, I wanted to show you guys. Chose this video right here. And what I did was I copied the link right up here in the URL bar. You see the link to the video. And then we came over here to this site right here. It's y2mate.com. You see it right up here in the address bar, guys. It's y2mate.com. And then you can see that I posted that video link right here in the downloader, which is download video and audio from YouTube, right? Pick that video link right there, and I clicked on start, and it brought it up, and you can see it's right here. And then I downloaded the 720p video quality format right here with the download button right here. And that thing is already on my computer in my downloads right here, as you can see right there. All right, so Now, once you get your product picked and you get your video picked off of YouTube that you're going to use, and you get it downloaded to your computer, then what we want to do is we want to come over here to this site right here, guys. You see this right here? It's called NewTube. If you look up here in the address bar, it's NewTube.app. This site is relatively new. Hasn't been around but about 6 months now. And if I bring out my similar web here, guys, and you'll see we're on the NewTube app right here. And if I scroll up, you can see that this site gets, guys, right now heading toward 400,000 people per month visit this site right here to watch videos. And people upload all kinds of, they got different categories here, NewTube related, how to and education, technology and science, gaming, comedy, health and wellness, music, news, politics. It just goes on and on and on here, guys. Now, this method I'm showing you here, guys, you will need to do as many ClickBank or Digistore or affiliate products that you want to use, because the more that you post on this site, the more chance that you'll have to make money, right? This is a volume game that we're playing here today. Now, so what you want to do here at NewTube is you want to come up here and click on sign in, and if you don't have an account, you can create one. Now, I've already created my account here, but it'll show up a link here to create an account, like right here, still need an account. Click right here, or try right here, you see. So I've already got my account. I'm going to go ahead and log in. And then once you get logged in, it gives you an opportunity. They want you to upgrade for $4.95 a month to give you a little bit higher amount of bandwidth to post more videos or upload more videos. All right? But you don't need that. You can just go with the free version, and then you can put in different information about your channel. So it's sort of like YouTube. You're going to have your own sort of channel here on this site, and you can add information and so on and so forth about that. But we won't fool with that here right now. What we want to do is to show you how to get a video up on this site. So what you want to do when you get logged in, you can either click right here and click New Upload, or you can simply click right here where it says Upload and click on that. And then it says File Upload, tells you the supported file formats and so on and so forth. And then what we want to do is we want to select a file off our computer. So we'll come back and we will get that. Right there is that file. So I'm going to click on that. It puts in the title for us right there already. We want to come back. I mean, you don't have to keep it that title if you don't want to. You can put in your own title, but I'm going to go ahead and leave it at that title right there. And then it's optional to put in a thumbnail. If you want to use a thumbnail, you can. Probably a better idea to do that, but I'm not going to fool with it today. You can create a thumbnail, and you can use Canva.com and create a thumbnail for free, guys, and so on and so forth, and then upload it to use here. Now, then what it wants us to do is right here is select a category. Well, since mine is in the health and wellness, that will be the category that I select right here. Click on that, and then it comes up and it says a subcategory, which is optional. And I think I'll just leave that alone and won't pick any subcategory, because it's not in yoga and meditation, and it's not necessarily in fitness, which would be exercise. And then you can check this little box right here, safe for work. What you want to do is we want to put in a description. So for that, we're going to come back to our CarbOfix sales page here, guys. Actually, I think I'm going to go with the description from the video first. We will add our affiliate link with information here. So we're going to come back here, and I'm going to just simply click here, and I'm going to copy this little description right here off of the video, bring it back, and then we'll paste that in there like that. And then what I'm going to do is paste in some information here, and I'm going to say right here, do you know why you should sip a cup of licorice root tea at 1 p.m.? I'm going to paste that in there because that drives curiosity, guys. It'll make people curious as to why we would do that. And then I'm going to say here, see how to increase your metabolism rate and then come back and make sure we're checking this right here. Increase your metabolism rate overnight. Overnight to begin losing weight fast. Something along that. This creates a little bit of curiosity. And then what we'll do is we'll come back and we will come back here to and get our affiliate link, guys. And we're going to click on promote here. And make sure that your nickname, your account nickname is in the box there, guys. And then you can choose whichever on here. I'm just going to leave it at the default. And click on that. And then copy it, guys. Close that out. I'm going to come back over here to Rebrandly. I like Rebrandly. If I can spell it right here, we'll be in good shape. Rebrandly.com. Link shortener. This is the link shortener that I've been using lately. I like it really well. I'm going to paste my CLICKBANK link in there just like that, guys, and click shorten the URL. And it gives us this really cool looking link right here, guys. And then, of course, like I always tell you guys, you want to test it out, right? And make sure that it goes to where you want it to go. Apparently, Rebrandly didn't like that particular CLICKBANK link, so I decided to come back and try a different link shortener, and I used tinyurl. You see it right up here in the address bar, guys. It's tinyurl.com, and I pasted my CLICKBANK link in right here, and then it gave me this little link right here, and I copied that. So, and then if we test it, you'll see that this one works here. And we test that out, paste that in there and go, and it takes us right over to the product right there. So we know that that works. Then we're going to come back here and we're going to paste our tiny URL link in right there, as you see. And then it's just a matter of clicking upload at this point, and we'll go ahead and do that, and it should be uploading here. And then, but the thing about this is, guys, we'll let this upload. What you want to do then is you want to come back to CLICKBANK or Digistore, wherever you're getting your affiliate links from or your affiliate products, and choose another product and choose another video and upload again. So the more that you put up videos that you put up on this site, the more chance you're going to have to make money. Okay, you see how that works? And as you can see, it's uploaded here, and you can see right here that here it is. It's got the video there. I mean, we could start playing it here and so on and so forth, but we won't do that there. And you can see that it's got our information right here, and then right there is our URL right there. You see that? And then people can like and subscribe. People can subscribe to your channel here, guys, and they can and you'll see the views over here, and they can like it or whatever, and put their different emojis on here, and they can share it and send it in an email and tweet it as well. And then right here is our affiliate link, guys. You see here, if somebody clicks on that, that should, and yes it does, it takes them right over to the product. And then if they was to come down and click to purchase, right, let's just see what happens if we click on purchase here. It should have our affiliate link in there. So if I click here, add to cart, and that should take us over. And if I scroll down, yes it does. You can see right down here at the bottom, guys, it's got my affiliate nickname attached to this sales page right here. So we know that that works, guys. It's a great thing. It's just a matter of doing this over and over and over, guys. Put your videos up on this site with your CLICKBANK products, as you've seen that I've done here, or your whatever affiliate products you're going to use, and that is how you do that. And you should be able to drive good traffic to your CLICKBANK or Digistore 24 or whatever affiliate products you're using in this method. Guys, I hope you like this method. If you did, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button and click that notification bell there right beside it so you get notified when I upload new videos. And also, don't forget to leave any comments or questions down below if you have any about this. You want to learn how to do high-ticket affiliate marketing? I got a free video presentation that will show you how you can accomplish that. Just click down there where you see it says mentorwithkev.com in the top of my description there, and come over and have a look at that free video presentation. Alrighty, guys, also don't forget to watch the other two videos up here that you see up here at the top. There are other great video methods on how to make money online too. Click on those and check those out. And guys, I'll let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money making video. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye bye now.